Welcome to our roundup of the best portable car jump starters you can buy today. Whether you're heading on a long road trip, commuting daily, or just want peace of mind in case your car battery dies, these compact lifesavers are essential for every driver. We've selected the most reliable and powerful models that combine high peak current, fast charging, and safety protection in easy-to-carry designs. From quick jump starting to charging your gadgets on the go, these portable units are built to keep you moving without the need for roadside assistance. Let's dive in and find the perfect one for your vehicle. The first on the list is the UTRAI 4-in-1 2008 jump starter. The UTRAI 4-in-1 is an all-in-one emergency powerhouse designed to give you complete confidence on the road. With a 2,000 amp peak current, it can instantly jumpstart most 12-volt vehicles, including up to 8.0-liter gasoline and 6.5-liter diesel engines. Whether you drive a compact car, SUV, or truck, this jump starter ensures a fast and reliable start every time. It's equipped with a large 24,000 mAh battery, allowing multiple jump starts on a single charge, while also serving as a power bank to charge phones, tablets, and other USB devices. Overall, it's a dependable, feature-packed solution that combines jump starting, tire inflation, device charging, and lighting, all in one portable unit that keeps you prepared for anything the road throws your way. Next up is the Basius Car Jump Starter. The Basius Jump Starter combines sleek design with serious performance. Featuring a 2,000 amp peak current, it's strong enough to start vehicles up to 8.5-liter gasoline or 6.5-liter diesel engines. The built-in high-capacity 16,000 mAh battery ensures you get multiple starts per charge, making it perfect for road trips and daily drivers alike. What sets this model apart is its intelligent digital display, which shows real-time voltage, remaining power, and temperature protection alerts for enhanced safety. Another key highlight is the 3-mode LED flashlight: normal, strobe, and SOS, which is invaluable for emergencies at night. The Basius unit also doubles as a power bank, with a 65-watt PD fast charging output for laptops, smartphones, and other electronics. Overall, the Basius Jump Starter delivers great reliability with a perfect mix of safety, portability, and smart tech for everyday use. Next, we have the UTRAI Power Bank 2008 Jump Starter. The UTRAI Jump Starter is designed for those who want high performance with multifunctionality. It delivers a 2,000 amp peak current, making it capable of jump-starting 8.0-liter gasoline or 6.5-liter diesel engines effortlessly. Its large 24,000 mAh power bank supports fast charging via dual USB ports, ideal for charging multiple gadgets during road trips. But what makes it stand out is its built-in 150 psi air compressor, allowing you to inflate tires, sports equipment, and even air mattresses. This all-in-one emergency tool is built to handle any roadside situation. The bright LED light includes 3 modes for visibility and signaling, while the digital pressure gauge ensures accurate tire inflation. It also features multiple safety protections like over-discharge prevention and spark-proof technology, making it user-friendly and reliable. Overall, it's the perfect companion for drivers seeking an all-in-one solution for jump-starting, tire inflation, and device charging. Next up is the EFC12V Car Jump Start. Compact yet powerful, the EFC12V Jump Starter delivers an impressive 2,500 amp peak current that can revive vehicles up to 8.5-liter gasoline or 7.0-liter diesel engines. With a high-capacity 24,000 mAh lithium battery, it provides quick energy transfer and consistent performance even in extreme weather conditions. The device also works as a power bank with dual USB outputs and a 12-volt DC port, perfect for charging phones, tablets, and other portable devices on the go. One of the best things about the EFC Jump Starter is its intelligent safety technology, which offers protection from overvoltage, short circuits, and reverse polarity. The clear LCD screen displays voltage and battery status, while the 3-mode LED flashlight helps you stay prepared for nighttime or roadside emergencies. Overall, the EFC12V is a robust and efficient tool that combines high performance with advanced safety and convenience. The last one on our list is the BSMOM 150 psi Car Jump Starter. The BSMOM Jump Starter is a complete emergency power kit featuring a 150 psi air compressor, a 2,000 amp peak current, and a 22,000 mAh battery. It's powerful enough to start up to 8.0-liter gasoline or 6.5-liter diesel engines, while the air compressor lets you inflate tires or equipment anywhere, anytime. This dual functionality makes it ideal for drivers who want both jump-starting and inflation in one unit. The built-in LED flashlight with SOS mode ensures visibility in dark conditions, and the LCD screen provides real-time battery and pressure readings. It also includes USB ports for charging smart devices, so you're never left without power. Safety features like overheat protection, spark-proof cables, and reverse polarity prevention make it user-friendly and secure to operate. Overall, the BSMOM Jump Starter is a dependable, feature-rich device designed for anyone who wants full roadside security in a single portable unit. So, that wraps up our list of the best car jump starters you can get right now. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more detailed product guides. All the product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and stay powered.